Hi guys, it's me Samantha, and today we are going to be playing with some bougie ass makeup. I picked up the 2 Spring Collection blushes from Chanel, and we are going to try them out on my cheeks. And then I did pick up one of the lipsticks from the collection as well in the shade Terra d'Otols. I'm not French. I'm sure I butchered that. But if you are curious to see it on my complexion, I'm very excited to be able to show this to you guys. So be sure to continue watching. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sam. I am a makeup enthusiast. Makeup is my therapy. And if you feel the same way, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can come back and see more content with me. So I also picked up a couple drugstore ones, not picked up, but pulled out a couple drugstore blushes from my collection that I think may be similar, and we'll swatch those at the end to see if they are at all similar. So if you don't see the value in buying the Chanel blushes, maybe you could pick up the alternatives. So all right, so I have 2 blush brushes that are clean. So we're gonna go into these. This is part of their illuminating blush powder. So I'm really excited. The first one we're gonna use is Peche Rosé. And this is what it looks like when you open it. There's a mirror, and then there's like a little tray with a mini brush in there. I'm not sure that I'm going to use this. It's not my typical thing, but it is very cute. And then it's just this thin plastic over the blush. And this is what she looks like. I'm really excited for this one. And then the other one is Brun Roussi. And I don't know if I pronounced that correctly at all either, but this is what she looks like. I feel like this one's going to be my favorite, but spring is coming, so the peach one may be something I will gravitate towards in the months to come. So we're going to go in with this one first. I think what I want to do is put these on the highlighted part of my cheeks, and then I'm going to use the darker one in the front of my cheeks and kind of blend them in. And we'll see how that works. So we're gonna go in with this one first. And when I swatched these were very creamy like. So I picked up a little bit on the brush. I don't know what to expect, so I don't want to put too much right away. And here we go. It actually is showing up, surprisingly. I was worried it was gonna be a little light, but it's definitely showing up, and it looks really pretty. It's perfect if you're looking for like a no makeup look. You just want a little bit of glow. Wow. Super pretty. It's very subtle on my complexion, but it does show up. I was a little nervous, honestly, that it wouldn't show up at all. But you can see like this side with no blush and this side with the blush. You can see that little bit of luminosity, and it's just subtle. This would be like perfect again for like a no makeup day. All right, so let's try the other one on the other side. And I have a different brush, and I'm gonna start here. Yes, that one is beautiful. Beautiful bronzy color that I think is like perfect for my complexion, and it does give that glow to the skin, so I could definitely see how it's considered like illuminating powder. Really pretty. Now I want to try what I was talking about with putting the darker shade more in the front, because I can almost see this like as a highlighting effect, and then add this and it's like more my, yeah, this is like gorgeous, like a beautiful natural gradient between the darker and then the lighter one. I'm gonna go back with the peachy one and put that a little bit higher up here. just seeing how they layer. And I don't have any tugging or anything from my foundation. It just looks really smoothing on the skin. And that illuminating effect is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm finding that to be really, really pretty. And the eye look that I did, I feel like it looks really nice with that. It's not too much. I mean, I did put out a little bit more than I normally would, but it looks really, really nice. Okay, let's try the lipstick. And I love this lipstick. It has like the cute little star on it, and it's a push mechanism just like my Lancome ones. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you. So this is one of my Lancome, and you see you press the button and the bottom kind of pops out a bit, so then you can just tug on it. And this one has a similar mechanism where you push it and then it kind of pops out and then you pull the lipstick. The only difference is with the Lancome, you push the mechanism and it pulls out the bottom. The push mechanism is on the top. And with the Chanel one, you push the bottom and the bottom is what pulls out. So this is the shade that I picked up. She's really beautiful. So this, I think, was considered an ultra matte luminous lipstick. So it's luminous because it does have like literal specks of particle, like glitter particles in it. All right, let's apply this. I'm gonna zoom in. I probably should have zoomed in so you could see my complexion. Here we go. All right, so here we go with the lips. Because I butchered the name, I will tell you that the number was 108 if you were looking to pick up this shade. It goes on very creamy and doesn't feel like a matte lipstick when you're putting it on your lips, which is quite nice. And I can kind of see that shine in the lipstick that they're talking about, but I actually don't see any of the particles. Like, I guess that's a lie. If I look super close, hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's so microscopically small that I don't think it makes, you can really even tell. But this color is like everything for my skin tone. Like, you could wear this with so many things and it looks really, really good with the eye look and the blushes. All right, so let's just swatch really quickly. I probably should have did this earlier, but too bad, so sad. We're gonna swatch these and then I'm gonna swatch next to them some blushes that I think are comparable, and I don't know for sure because I'm swatching it right now with you guys, so I don't know for sure. This is just an idea in my head of what I think. So this is Brun Roussi. Oh, stunning. And this is Peche Rosé. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. They're definitely very, very creamy powder situation. Like, they go on super smooth like a cream. When you put your finger in there, you kind of feel that creaminess to it. So the two blushes that I was comparing it to was this Milani Baked one. So the finish is probably going to be a little different. It's the Coco Felicita, which is one I love. And then the Luminoso from Milani. I was thinking these might be kind of similar. So let's swatch Luminoso. Luminoso is definitely has more of a sheen to it. It's a little bit lighter, so no cigar there. Let's try the other one, Coco Felicita. Very similar. I think this is just like a lighter version. On the skin, I would say this is very similar too. Because you can wear kind of sheared out and then you can build it up too if you wanted it to be deeper. I've used this in videos before and I'll try to see if I can find the video and link it down below so that you can see it live in action. All right guys, so that's my little demo of the 2 Chanel blushes. I think they're absolutely stunning. I really like how they give that blurring luminous effect without having to wear a highlighter. I love this lipstick. I mean, it just really complements my skin tone. So yeah, I'm really excited to have these products and play with them some more. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it, and have a good night. Bye.